Hi, my name is Mr.Codilla, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pinch pot. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to roll my clay into a sphere, a nice ball shape, a sphere. Doesn't have to be perfect. There we go, got my sphere. Now I'm going to take my sphere and put it right in the palm of my hand. Take my thumb, and I'm going to put it right into the clay. Not just a little bit. I want to make sure it gets down there pretty deep, really deep, like that. Pretty far in there. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my fingers, and this is why we call it a pinch pot. I'm going to take it, I'm going to pinch this part right here. Pinch and turn, pinch and turn. Notice I turn it every time. Pinch and turn, pinch and turn. I just keep doing that, pinching and turning, all the way around. You'll notice that the hole is getting bigger there. And I just don't pinch up at the top. I reach way down in the bottom, near the bottom, and start pinching too, way deep down in there. There we go. Just keep pinching and turning, just like this. Now I have my pinch pot. Next thing I'm going to do is I can decorate it. I could use my stylus tool, and I can draw lines. I can write letters if I want to. I can draw pictures with my stylus tool, like this. I could even turn it around. I can add patterns and shapes, all sorts of fun things. If I make a mistake like this, I could just use my finger and smooth it over. Your finger's just like an eraser when it comes to clay. There we go. Now I can decorate the top too. There we go. Don't want to decorate the inside. Let's leave the inside blank. Let's leave that alone. And let's not do any decorations on the bottom either, because that's where we're going to write our name. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tap it on my table on the bottom 3 times, just gentle taps, no hitting. 1, 2, 3, and that flattens out the bottom so it sets up nice and straight. Now I can write my name and my class on the bottom.